Hello everyone, welcome back Learn SQL in 30 Days series day 2. In this video, I'm going to discuss real-time interview questions with delete, drop, truncate, alter, update and merge command with a different data set practical explanation. What is a delete, drop, and truncate? Delete is a DDL command. It is used to delete one or more records using where clause. Rollback can work if no commit done. Schema change to no performance slower than truncate. Memory. Delete command does not free the allocated space of the table from the memory. It won't remove data permanently. Drop. A DML command drop is to drop entire table from the database. Where clause cannot be used. Rollback cannot be done. Schema change, yes. Performance slower than truncate. Memory. Drop command remove all the allocated space of the table from the memory. It will remove data permanently. Truncate. A DML command truncate is used to delete all the rows from the table or entire records from the existing table. Where clause cannot be used. Rollback cannot be done. Schema change, no. It is faster than delete. Memory. Truncate command does not free the allocated space of the table from the memory. It will remove the data permanently. These are some sample interview questions. Now I'm not going to discuss these things. We will see a different example to understanding delete of these commands. This is very important question. A parent table called is primary key table, child table called is a foreign key table, vice versa. Interview question. So can we apply delete drop truncate operation on the child or parent table before deleting data from the parent or child table? Let's see the different examples with the practicals. Alter. Alter is used to add drop column name, modify column data type, increase or decrease column data type, rename table or column name, add or remove constraint. Update. Update is a DML command. It will update the data into table. Merge. Merge is very useful command. It will be perform insert update delete operation the target table based on the join set with the source table. We can call it a offset operation. Let's see some practical example to understanding more all these command how it will work different data. Look at these two tables. I have created a customer primary key and table order is a foreign key table reference. These are the table data. Now we will insert the data first into order table which is foreign key child table. We are getting some error. A foreign key value has no matching primary key value. That means whatever the data we are inserting, that data ID, the data value not present in the customer table. So that means whenever we want to insert the data into foreign key table, the data should be matched with the primary key table. Then only we can insert the data. Now we will insert the data into primary key which is customer table. Then we will see one record inserted. Now we are inserting the data into child table. Yes, we are the data able to insert. Okay, data is able to add, right? This is insert command. Now we will perform delete drop truncate operation on primary key and foreign key table. Delete from table which is primary key table. Delete dependency faster than parent or visible name means the customer has a reference in the child table, this parent table, right? So first we need to delete the data into child table, which is order table. Then only we can delete the data into customer table. Even truncate also will see the error. Drop also will see the error. Look at this error. Drop error is 02449. Truncate is 02266. Delete error number is 02292, but all the messages are same. Like so, first we need to delete the data into order table. Then only we can perform any operation to be drop truncate on parent table. We are not going to delete the data. If you want, you can practice with a different data set and understand this command how it will work. Now we will talk about the alter. Now I'm going to create a table using one of the existing. So you can see the data into a underscore test table. Add or drop column name, adding or remove column name. So alter table, table name, add column name. This is a data type. So here I'm adding status column into my a underscore test table. So alter completed. Status column added. Now I'm removing this column using drop. Alter table, table name, drop column, your column name. Which column you want to delete? So you have to mention that. So here I'm not executing. Let's see how it will work. See, status column is removed, right? I'll create this column again. Modify column data type, changing the data type of a column. Alter table, table name, modify. Location, this is the column name, data type. So if you look at the query result location, so this is a text format. I'm changing data type as a number one. We are getting a column to be modified must be empty or change data type. So that means this column should be empty, then only we can change the data type. So same way alter table, table name, modify, DEPT number char 12. So here DEPT number is a numerical value. So I'm changing character. Let's see. The same issue. Increase or decrease column data type. So alter table a test modify DEPT number. So this column has numerical value, but I'm changing this data increasing. Let's see. Yes, we can increase the data type than existing one. The same way, rename table or column name. Alter table a underscore test, rename column name status to stat. Look at the column. Earlier it is a status, now it is showing as a stat. We can change the column name. Alter table completed. So this is the table name. Okay, this one. So now we'll see update statement. Update, we know update the records into table. So this is a direct method. I'm not going to discuss this one. We will see how to use the join condition using another table. Update table name and set location. Select s dot location from this is source table where department number equal to department number. Run this query. We will 4 records updated. Now we will see data into here. Airlight is a new arc, now it is showing as a HYD because it is coming as source table, that is UDPT here. So it is matching DEPT number, it will update as a location as a HYD. So this is all about update. Now we will talk about more merge command, which is very important to understand. Merge is, we already know it, it will insert, update and delete. So for testing purpose, I am creating two tables. One is msource1 and target1. So there is no data both tables. Now I am inserting two sample records here. Day one, the source table every day it is truncate and update, truncate and load the data. So two records are inserted in the source. Now we will run this merge command. Later we will talk about this code. Two rows merged. Now let's see the data into target table. Two records are there in the source. Now I'm deleting these two values. Why I'm deleting? Because every day it is truncate and fresh load, right? So again I'm getting new insert new records. Now I'm running this merge statement. Two rows merged. Target table. So look at this is two records are previously earlier records. Now this is the new one. So now we will talk about how merge command be done. Merge into this is target table using your source on p.id equal to s.id from target table id source table id. When this id is matched, then update set p.new salary equal to s.salary. So we are updating the data source to target. The same as p.old value equal to p.new value. Okay, so when this id is not matching because there is no value existing that value from the source, so we are inserting simply inserting the data into target table. This is how this merge command is working. So this is all about delete, drop, truncate, alter, merge and update. If you want to understand these commands thoroughly and practically, you have to create more test data, different examples and apply this command, then you can understand better, so you can answer any interview easily and confidently. If you like it my content, please like, share, subscribe to my channel to get more real-time example like this. Thank you.